Oh, welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. I'm the Easter Bunny, and today I'll review Kinder Surprise Easter Bunny, which is myself. I'm a very cute bunny with green eyes and blue fur. And inside, I have a toy. Yeah, very good. So yeah, this is a Kinder Easter Bunny made by Ferrero Corporation. And it has a small parts inside, so be careful. 75 grams. Code, you can scan me here. And ingredients here, milk chocolate. Very good. Okay, let's see what's inside this cute little bunny. I'm peeling the skin of the bunny. I think the YouTube will demonetize this video. Look. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this. Amazing. Look at this. We found the insides of the bunny. And it's really good quality, to be honest. Like, the quality is good, it's not breaking up. So yeah, let's go ahead and taste it up. Boom! Okay, let's see if the Kinder Surprise Easter Bunny tastes any good. I gotta say, the smell is absolutely beautiful. I remember the smell from the childhood. It's a smell, you know you'll have a good time eating this. Kinder has the best smell. Okay, so how should we start? I guess we just eat the ears, like this. There's the brains of the bunny. And there's the toy inside. Yeah, what can I say? Nothing special. I mean, it is special, but like, I already knew what this is gonna taste like. It's a normal Kinder Surprise taste. Really good taste. Ooh. I think the best part about this Kinder chocolate is that they have so much milk. The milk in the Kinders, that's what makes the flavor. One of the best chocolates ever made. Kinder milk chocolate. And look, here's the surprise. Yeah. I think we should unbox this as well. But yeah, Kinder Surprise Easter Bunny. Taste wise, this is 10 out of 10. There's not many better chocolates than this. Kinder, the best. So let me put this down and let's assemble this toy. Okay, it's time to see what this toy is all about. So we cracked it open. Oh, very nice. What is this? Is the monkey? Is it the dinosaur? Let's see, some kind of wheels. Okay, so here's the guide. Now this is just attention small parts. Like, why would they put this here? Like, just wasting paper. Every different language is here. Arabic, I mean Swedish. Then we have some Chinese. Yeah, it's just waste of time. What language is this? KA, maybe it's Kazakhstan. It actually looks like text from Lord of the Rings. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Throw it away. And this is what we get. Oh, it's an order. Order. Appleidu. Kinder.com/app. So they're expanding to the digital words as well. Pretty smart by Kinder marketers. Okay, 3 pieces. Ooh, I think it is too hard for me to assemble. Maybe like this. No. Maybe like this. No. Where's the manual? Okay, there's the manual. So, we take the feet. And we put this on the feet. Like this. Good. And then we do it like this. Good. And it has a wheels. So what does it do? Very poor quality wheels. Look at this. How can this is supposed to like go forward? It's not going forward at all. This toy, I give it 1 out of 10. So the chocolate, 10 out of 10 for taste, but the toy inside, it's 1 out of 10. Like, it would have been better without the toy. Overall rating, I give it. It was kind of expensive, so I give this 8 out of 10. I mean, the chocolate is really good, but this was like many euros just to get 75 grams of chocolate with some crappy toy inside. I think it's like 8 out of 10 overall. I think it's better to buy like Kinder Bueno or Kinder, like, you know, the small things, if you just want to get chocolate. But maybe this is fun for the kids. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching the review. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. I will see you guys next time. Wait, I gotta do the eyebrow thing.